Hello, this is Tom Silas. I'm the CEO of wetcrow.com, W-E-T, C-R-O-W, like wet as a wet sponge, and crow is in black crow. So we're wetcrow.com. Our platform, the topic of this TV is install above ground pools, earn $1,000 per day, start tomorrow. Okay, and I'm going to come back to that. The way we operate, we have predefined services. Above ground pools are all around their own. We just upped it to a little over 1,000. It used to be 900. So because people are complaining that if it takes them all day. So if you can do two, we have one guy that does two a day, and he's making 1,800. He charges 900. He's making 1,800 a day. He's making good money, almost 2,000. So he's going to go up to 499, I think, very shortly. I'm sorry. He's going to go to almost 1,999. He's going to make just about $2,000. Okay, and if the customer wants a little add-on, there's a couple things that the customers like. He'll add it on. He'll add another couple $100 for spreading the stone, the fancy stone around the pool, that kind of thing. So, just let you know. So that's pretty much it. So installing above ground pool. Now we have a guy with Olympic pools in New Jersey. He puts them in the ground, almost like an in-ground pool. He does a nice job because it's almost the same material. It's galvanized steel. Even the in-ground pools unless it's granite or custom built concrete, it's gonna go in as it's gonna be the same as an above ground pool, but it's all the way in the ground and you can't even tell. Then you put a concrete apron around it. This guy, because legally I think he has to be 6 inches above if it's in ground, because the gauge is a little bit thicker for the in ground. That's the only difference. So he puts it 6 inch above the ground so that it legally complies with the in-ground. And it's mostly in the ground anyway. I mean, now would I do that? Maybe not. I don't know. I'd rather buy the in-ground kit. It doesn't cost that much more to do it that way. So, but anyway, that's beside the point. But he charges a lot more. He gets anywhere from 5,000 to 20,000 for installing an above or in-ground pool. He does both. Okay. So what happens is that basically what you're doing, you're leveling the ground where the pool's going to go. You're going to bring in some sand, you bring in some sand, maybe 4 bags, 50-pound bags of sand. You put it on top. You get some peat moss, same thing. It's not that heavy. You bring it with you. You install the pool. It's not that expensive. The materials you're going to be putting in, you're going to level everything before you put that in. You're gonna put in you're gonna level it, assemble the pool so it's level. Make sure you have a level with you and the right tools for that. Then you're gonna install the pool there. Put the filter on a cement slab. You could buy those ready-made at Home Depot. I wouldn't pour one. You can do that. Make sure that's right near the pool, and that's it. You put it where the customer wants it. And then that's it. The pool's set up, and they already prepaid, so you don't have to worry about unless you charge extra money. And if they give you a problem, let us know. We'll bill them, and we'll charge them in the credit card. That's we tell them that. So that's pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel, and please like this video. It'll help us to get more, because we do get customers that come and see these videos, and they want to make sure that they want to know how much it's going to cost. So they watch that. You make good money, and we don't talk about we don't say that's all labor, the money. So like I said, join us. You'll be very happy. You'll make good money. It's one of the best paying jobs out there that we have. We have a couple others. We have some that pay $2,000 a day, and this can be, if you bring a helper in there, it's worth it. You pay a helper, it's going to cost you $25 an hour. So if you're there 4 hours, it's going to cost you $100. I mean, how bad is that? You're making good money, so you can afford to pay the guy. Now you can do 2 a day, and that's what we're talking about. Okay, so thanks again. Have a great day, and we'll see you on board. Thank you.